we'll take it out, put it on a tray to cool, and you need to let it cool for at least 30 minutes, because otherwise you'll put the butter icing on and it will just run, it'll turn to water, right? So we'll leave that to settle, we'll wait for the cake to cook, and then we'll come back in a minute when the cake is cooked. Okay? Right then, part 2. The cakes have cooled, they've come out the oven. There you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to trim the cakes. So, what we do first is we go around the outside to loosen it. Okay, but you can trim it first. Okay, so this is how I do it. Get your knife and cut all the way around to flatten it off. Okay, just turn it as you go. Keep it nice and flat, the knife. Okay. There we go. And that is how a cake should look. Okay, nice and moist, not dry, no clumps. This is the chef's part. Keep that for later. Right, so get your knife, cut all the way around, just to free it a little bit. You ain't got to go mad, it'll come out pretty easy. Just drag your knife round it, like that. Okay. Turn it over, and that's how it should come out. You see the paper on the bottom? Okay, that's going to be your top, so take that part off. Right, as you can see, if you can see that, right, there's no clumps or anything. Okay, it's nice and airy and spongy. So I'll put that to one side. This is going to be your base. So again, just run your knife round like that, and that will come out as easy as that one. There you go. Okay. So you can leave the paper on that one. So what I'll do is I'll put that onto the cooling tray like that. Right. Now you get your butter icing or your filling, which you made earlier. Okay. And just dollop it on the underneath of the top part. That's how I do it. Right. So. Get your spatula, tip some out, and this is your filling. Okay, and just spread it all over.